If I'm a small company thinking of going from Australia and entering the Chinese market and thinking about what my infrastructure needs to be in the IT area, what would be the methodology or the way of thinking that you should go about trying to figure out what you should do?
This is a very good question. Actually, if I was
Yeah,
Australia startup
yeah,
company, when I want to step into China market, my logic will be like this. First of all, if my services fit for the Chinese consumers' requirement, yes or not, whether I can easily find a large volume of the users. So this is the first one. The second one, probably I will do some search. It's very simple. You can go to a lot of the Chinese website. You can see by industry, current startup list. So whether I have any competitor, they already do the similar things there.
sure.
So this is the second thing. And the third thing, if I make decisions that I will step into the China market, so probably I need to think about how to land my services. So for the services itself, if you are online web services, definitely you need to have some cloud and CDN architecture design, and Alibaba Cloud can help on that. But from the business perspective, you need to think about it. If whether these services is online transaction services or just information public services, because it's related to the ICP license. In China, all the online business you need to get an ICP license. They call it Internet Content Provider license. There are Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 means that you just publish the information. You don't have any online transaction. Type 2 means that probably you're doing some e-commerce. You have online transaction. So you need to apply different license for that. So after that you have the architecture design, you have the license. So probably you need to think about how to promote that. Promote that you have different way. For example, you can use the social media to do the promotion, like Weibo. Weibo is traditional right now. It's like a Douyin, TikTok, and then also the short video to do that online advertising. And also the other way is that you can build up like WeChat group and then through the WeChat to promote your product. The last thing is that how to run the business and how to cover as much user as possible. So this is about how whether you need to have a local operation team or you're just using the remote operate to serve the local people.